Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Very quickly in this video, I am going to tell you the most current, most recent pattern of academic IELTS reading. Okay, if you want to know what will happen in your actual exam, what is the latest pattern, like if you're planning to appear in IELTS exam in the next 4 to 8 weeks, next couple of months, so this video is exactly for you. And if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so that whenever I actually upload a video, you will get the notification of that video. Okay guys, now let's make a start. As far as academic reading is concerned, at present in academic reading, as you know, there are 3 passages. So with passage 1, the most frequent question type at present is sentence completion. Questions 1 to 6, 1 to 5, 1 to 7, they are sentence completion questions. And by the way, sentence completion is type A. Questions and their answers, they are in order. So you can easily find all the answers once you find one answer. Well, the second set of questions in academic reading part 1 is true, false, not given. They are going to give you some true, false, not given questions. True, false, not given, they are also type A questions. Once you find one answer, you read on and on and on and you will find all the answers. So in academic reading part 1, presently examiners are focusing sentence completion and true, false, not given. So you can focus these question types, and Cambridge IELTS books 11 to 18, they are wonderful for this question type. You will see mostly they have this question type. And this is true for computer delivered IELTS as well. Whatever I'm going to say about this latest pattern of IELTS reading, this is true for computer delivered IELTS as well. And by the way, what is my resource? My resource is that I make review videos. Every week when IELTS exam is held, my students send me the details. Sir, in listening part 1, they gave these type of questions. Listening part 2, reading part 1, part 2. So they send me all the details, and that's why I'm telling you that in the next 2, 3, 4 months, they're going to follow this pattern. Now, academic reading part 2. Question type, which paragraph contains the following information, list of headings, multiple choice questions, and sentence completion. In every section, they give you sentence completion. Keep that in mind. As per the recent pattern, in every section, you will get completion type of questions. Whether it is sentence completion, flowchart completion, diagram completion, summary completion, they will give you completion type of questions. So in part 4, they are actually focusing on these type of questions, right? Part 2, sorry, not part 4. And academic reading part 3, they mainly focus 3 to 4 type of questions, and they are matching. In part 3 academic reading, you will find matching type of questions where there is a list of scientists and their statements, and you've got to match them. Number 2, yes, no, not given is a very common question type in academic reading part 3. Along with that, they give you some summary completion type of questions, and otherwise they may give you some multiple choice questions as well. Okay, so this is the latest pattern, and you will, if you want to practice this latest pattern, as I mentioned before, Cambridge IELTS 11 to 18. They are the best books. And if you don't have that much time, then you can practice books 15, 16, 17, and 18, and always start from the last book to the first one. Okay, start from 18, then go back to 17, then 16. So this is the latest pattern that they have. On the other hand, in general training IELTS, if you're a general training candidate, the pattern they are following in part 1, like you know, there are 26, 27 questions in part 1 and 2, and these questions are literally easy peasy. With a little more effort and attention, you can find all the answers. So general training reading part 1, questions like which paragraph contains the following information and true, false, not given. There are 13 to 14 questions in part 1, and these questions have the same pattern. Then we've got questions like sentence completion in part 2. Now there are 13 sentence completion questions, or half of them are sentence completion and half of them are again true, false, not given. Okay, so these 27 questions are very, very important. If you pay a little more attention, you can get 27 by 27 if your target is 7 or 8 band in general training reading. General training reading part 3. Most important question type is list of headings. Multiple choice questions. Matching, where there is the list of scientists, you have to match them and all that. Summary completion and yes, no, not given. Okay, these 5 question types are crucial. If you want to practice as per the latest pattern, I would say start your practice from Cambridge IELTS General Training book number 18, 17, 16, 15 and as long as you can go. So you can practice from 11 to 18 or 18 to 11. These books will provide you the same pattern. So guys, for computer delivered IELTS, for paper delivered IELTS, academic, general training, I have elaborated very well on the latest pattern. Now you need to practice following this latest pattern. My videos are available. You can watch them. I have made some study plans for listening, reading, writing, speaking. You can follow those study plans, and we offer online IELTS classes, online IELTS masterclass, in-campus IELTS masterclass, PTE classes, IELTS writing assessment service. So you can get any of these services. If you want, my WhatsApp number is given. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck with your IELTS preparation, and I wish you more than your desired band in IELTS. Take care. Allah Hafiz.